हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 10.2। सो जल्दी से हम पहले क्वेश्चन रीड कर लेते हैं। सो द क्वेश्चन सेज टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स आर ऑफ रेडियाई 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड 3 सेंटीमीटर. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम पहले chord draw कर लेते हैं. So this is my chord that touches the smaller circle. Okay, and I'll take this point as P and I'll label this point as Q. Okay, and let us label this center as O. Okay, now let me join center of this circle to the point of contact and I'll label this point of contact as R. So OR is the radii of the smaller circle, which is 3 centimeter. Okay, and let's join OP. This is 5 centimeter. Similarly, we can also join OQ. This is also 5 centimeter. Now we know theorem that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact, right? So this means PQ is perpendicular to OR. So you can mention the reason here. This is theorem 10.1, right? So this means OR is perpendicular to PQ. So angle ORP is 90 degree. Angle ORP is 90 degree. Right? Now consider these two triangles. Triangle OPR and triangle OQR. Consider these two triangles. In this triangle, I have angle ORP equal to angle ORQ, both 90 degrees, right? We have already seen this. This is 90 degree. Also, OP is equal to OQ because they are radii of the larger circle. They are our radii of same circle, right? And OR is common side of both triangles. This is common side of both triangles, right? So using RHS congruency, I'll have these two triangles congruent. So triangle OPR is congruent to triangle OQR using RHS congruency. Okay, so we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. So we can have PR equal to RQ using CPCT because they are congruent parts of congruent triangle. So I'll have PR equal to RQ. Now since PR is equal to RQ, if I am able to find any of these lengths, then I can find the length of this chord PQ. Okay. So now OP is 5 centimeter and OR is 3 centimeter, right? And we know that this angle is 90 degrees. So we can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So in triangle OPR, I'll use the Pythagoras theorem, which means square of hypotenuse, which is OP, equals the sum of squares of other two sides, which is PR square plus OR square. So what is OP square? This is 25. What is PR square? So PR square we are supposed to find. And what is OR square? This is 9. So PR square is 25 minus 9, which is 16. So PR equals to 4. Okay, so PQ would be twice of PR, right? Which is equals to 2 into 4. This is 8 centimeter. So length of this cord is 8 centimeter.